looks so sexy. It looks sexy.
What is going on, guys? It's me again, Manny at Manny Mods Garage. We're finally wrapping this Tesla. It came in, and then on accident, the wrong wrap came. We are wrapping a Tesla, a Model 3. I don't know the year. I don't know much about these, but they're no different than like a microwave or a washing machine. It's probably built by Whirlpool. Never mind. We're gonna divert from that plan. We got the wrong wrap. We're supposed to have like a greenish gold tint. Instead, we got like a bluish gold tint. So we put the wrap on the Durango Hellcat. We are in love with it. So it took us about 4 days to wrap the Durango Hellcat. Got pretty aggressive on timing with that, but the details are amazing. However, we do got the correct wrap this time.
It looks so good.
Yeah, it looks really good. It's called an Urban Green Porsche Gold Porsche Green or something like that. Here's my gorgeous wife as usual.
Hey guys.
My helper, my everything. So we detrimmed the Tesla, whatever Tesla this is. I think it's the Model 3. We detrimmed it. Huge shout out to my aunt for trusting me with this thing. We drove all the way down to West Palm Beach to pick it up, and now I'm about to make it green. It needs to be green. I can't wait for it to be green because I have another one right after that. I have a TRX back there. Don't mind that. We still haven't decided what we want to do with that. I think it'll look cool, but we'll see. Talk about that later. Here is the TRX. So that's going to be the next one. That's also going to be green. It's going to be pretty cool as well. So the wrap shop is wrapping. So,
we wrapping, y'all.
yeah, we're wrapping a lot. Also got a wrap for the Hellcat, the Challenger Hellcat.
On the way.
Yeah, it's going to be the same color, but matte. So they're going to be flip-flop. And we also got a new sponsorship. Got wheels coming for both Hellcats. So those were supposed to be for the Hellcat, but we can't decide if we want to use those and put like a meaty 315, 35 setup, or keep the big bronze wheels that we love. We really love it. So it's a stupid thing because if we love it, why we're going to change it up? Well, whatever. We shoot in our cars, not in each other. So.
That's such a good one.
Right. So we don't know what to do. Right now it looks stupid, but I could make it look really cool. Anyways, I can't decide what I want to do. If I order tires today and get them and have everything mounted by Friday or Thursday, or just return them because I have the opportunity to return them right now. So
it was in this moment she realized he wasn't returning anything.
So yeah, I'll show you guys in a second what it looked like.
Looks like she was right.
We are about to check out one of our new sponsors, Tech Baba. So basically it's a truck bed divider. Very good for us because we don't really use a Durango Hellcat all the time. So when we go out shopping and go get some groceries or whatnot,
this doesn't happen.
Exactly. So we are going to check this out and see how good this is. I'm excited. Long overdue video. And if you guys are interested in this product, please do me a favor, check out the link. It's on Amazon. Get them fast because they're always sold out. Oh.
Heavy duty.
Yeah, it is. It's really nice, actually. It's also nice because if you ever have to take off the bed for whatever reason, I mean the gate, the tailgate, do so much more. Got some like tension springs or whatnot, and it's got these locking bolts. So I'm gonna open it up and show you guys in a second. It's sweet because there's like an indentation right here, and so all you do is basically just push it in right there with the lock, tie it up. Voila. That's pretty cool, guys. Okay, so we got the whole side on this Tesla completely wrapped in green. Man, when I tell you this color, it is amazing. The garage doesn't do it any justice. The color is unique, one of one. I promise you, it's gonna break necks. Very, very good choice. Right now, what we're doing is we're gonna be cleaning the wheels, and then we're gonna be painting them black. We got some cool Tesla center caps for them in black, so it's gonna have satin black faces with a gloss black Tesla cap and gloss black lug nuts. So it's going to be very, very nice contrast to what the vehicle currently has. I'm going to do these two wheels. I'm going to mount them on there, and then I'm going to button up the side and get ready to do the other side. There's not too much left to do on this side over here. That's what I like about the Teslas. Man, it looks so, so good. I am so regretting I didn't get this color. Whatever, let's get to it. Okay, quarter on this one's almost done. The challenge right here is this. This part right here is a big challenge on me because you can't take this out. From what I've noticed and from what I've researched, you can't take this trimming out unless it comes with the glass. Couldn't really find anything on it. This is easy. It's just a bunch of Torx bits under here, but I don't have to take that out because you have a little bit of play here. You can pull it down and tuck it just a hair. And then also I don't have that stupid power charging gate right there. So that helps a lot here too. But the wrap's really pretty easy to deal with. So we're having a lot of fun. The only challenges I'm having is missing a few things here and there, which has to do with prep, of course. So it's partially my fault. I take responsibility over that. But I would say 9.5 out of 10. It's like, I call it like a reverse pillar on these vehicles because this shell is all one. So it goes all the way to the front, past the front door, under the fender. And so usually the panel here is separate from the quarter, and it'll just go over the top, but the top is separate. So that helps in certain areas. We already did the trunk, the hood, the whole other side, the whole other fender. All I have to do now is the two doors and the fender, and I am good to go. Tonight I'll do the doors, and then I'll do the bumper tomorrow. Maybe I'll start it tonight. I don't know. Depends on how I feel later on. Got the mirrors done. We did like a little heat test on them, so they're not pulling back or anything like that, so that's good. But we did it in two pieces. Looks very silky. Looks very clean. But whole side is done. Just finished this mirror. About to do that trimming up there. Once I'm done with the trimming, the wheels are being painted, the other side at least. So I'm going to put those wheels on with the new lug nuts, the new Tesla caps and valve stem caps. And then we just have the bumper. The bumper and the new little body lip thing.
guys, so he just unloaded it. We are here. I got the trailer dropped.
Made it. Everything's done. Everything's safe. Tesla's over there. Miguel's talking to me. All right, y'all. So I'm driving a Tesla right now. The thing is that I can't hear anything, so I'm gonna be the noise. Oh, that's like a Honda. Oh, it's a diesel. This is a diesel. Downshifting. That's enough of that. All right, guys. I know you can barely see anything. We're about to pull up to my aunt's house. I'm really hoping she likes this car. We'll see her reaction in a few minutes. Home sweet home for the Telfa. It's John Titi.
Dios te bendiga. Nice.
Hope you like it.
No, love it.
It's a little dusty, but we'll see.
Oh, dusty.
Te bendiga.
Oh my god, that is so nice.
I hope so. It was a
Oh my
lot
God,
of work. It looks like paint.
Oh my god, it looks beautiful. Oh my god, it looks mean. I love it.
Yeah, it broke a lot of necks on the way over here.
It looks sexy.
Everybody was looking at it and they're like, where did you get a Tesla? It's probably a new one.
Thank you. I
Love you.
Oh my god, it's so sexy.
Yeah.
It's so sexy. Oh my god, it's sexy.
That's going to be the introduction to the video.
It looks so sexy. And my pigtails.
We're going to do that. We're going to
It
do
looks
that.
so sexy.
That's going to be so funny. Do you want me to pull it in? That makes more sense, right? Yeah. Okay. Oh, by the way, look at your new key. This is so freaking cool.
Oh my god, it looks so sexy.
This took like 17 tries. I promise you it was really hard.
We were cursing more at the key.
Yeah.
For the whole car.
I don't care no more.
You gotta tell Titi bendición too.
Dios te bendiga.
Oh.
Oy, Lito.
I almost died.
Oh my goodness.
I almost died. Let me move.
That would be horrible. You're good.
Okay, I'm done with this shit. I don't want to deal with it
No more?
Looks like a new car.
It does.
It looks like a brand new model that Tesla just came out with. Dude, it's so freaking cool. It's like a new design, new color, like if Tesla sold it like that.
Oh my gosh, the lift just sets it off.
Yeah, it came out really good. These cup holders on these Gladiators and apparently the Wranglers too, they have like a cup holder system that you can't really take out. So these are basically like the little protector. You can put it in there, take it out, wash it however you want. It's just nice because you don't have to just stick a rag in there and just start cleaning everything. So. Like a glove, guys. Like a glove. So now when you got like soda sweat in the bottom of this, you could just take it out and clean it. Huge shout out to Tech Power. Thank you so much, guys, for the sponsor. I really appreciate the stuff. Very sorry it took so long, but guess what? We finally did it, y'all. One more time, if you guys want one of these, just check the link below on Amazon and we'll get back to you.